Everyone, I'm Julie with Stitches of Love Quilting, and today I wanted to talk to you about our cute little Easter surprise mini quilt of the month. Now, if you are lucky enough to get the laser cut kit, what you'll receive is a kit that looks just like this. It'll come packaged this way, but what's inside the kit is your pattern with the full-size placement guide and your pieces reversed in case you want to make another one. You will also receive your batting, your background fabric, the backing fabric for the front, your laser cut side border pieces, your binding, which would be 2 strips of binding, your cute little label, the Stitches of Love designer label, and your hanging sleeves. And of course, the most important part is the applique pieces already laser cut for you, ready to start stitching right away. So let me show you how this looks in the finished version. And also I wanted to mention, we included something fun this time just because it worked well with the design. And there are these little tiny seed beads for the checker, the white check spots on the egg. Just gives an extra little dimension. And those are included in the kit with the tiny eyes for the bunny and the duck. Now, if you don't receive a kit and you want to make yours look pretty cute too with extra addition on the checked, if you do a checked egg, you can do French knots. That would be cute too. But the little seed pearls are especially fun to play with. So we hope that you enjoy your Easter surprise mini of the month and hope that you'll have a great time stitching it. Thanks so much. Happy stitching.